Welcome to students. Today's our topic is dynamic variables in PHP. It's very interesting. Dynamic variable is a variables. First, take look at the simple example to understand the basic concept of how do dynamic variables. So here we are just to having the variable because of we in this what we have to do, we have to be uh, the name as a variable. Here we are just to name as a variable with the value stored in the another variable. That is, one variable contains the name of another variables. It means that here the animal, the value of animal is the turtle. Now we again giving the turtles, so that is, and the value of that one. So it print dollar animals means that here here this value of animal is turtles. So that's why it becoming, or here the value is turtles. So that's why dollar turtles, and dollar turtles value is 103. That's why it prints 103. So this is a where we are just using the variable in the variable name declaration, and then we are using this one. So we can also have the another example, that is this one. This is a dynamic variable is variables. Here's what we have taken. We are having a variable prefix and the value is pre underscore. Now what we have to, we are just adding the prefix of the collection of variables in order to use the variable in the variable name declaration. So simple, we have to be surrounded the declaration with the help of this curly braces. Now see here the prefix we are just to putting and concatenation of one. It means that it giving the prefix underscore, yani prefix the value that is pre underscore 1. So this the value is first variable. Now we have to be same way, the prefix dot 2 prefix dot 3 in that way, and the value is assigning the different. Now if we print this dollar echo pre 1 or echo pre 2 or echo pre 3, then the output is first variable, second variable, third variable. Because of this pre, the prefix is having the value pre and which concat with the 1. So dollar pre underscore 1, it gives this name of this variable. So that's why it's called the variables. Okay, now see another. Here we are having one employee and name of and array. Okay, array of the different employee names, uh, that is array Alex, Evan and Levi. These are the three names which we are having in the employee. And now this employee underscore Alex. So this Alex, the strange, the value of this is employee Alex. Employee Evan, the value is Evan, the good looking, and this lavish the widest of the wise. So now what we have do at here for each. Now this is the array. So one by one the element for which we have a loop, for each loop we are using here, and employee as dollar e. So echo dollar e is title of dollar, then employee, then in concatenation the employees concatenation of the dollar e is given the name each element. Here this is to be fetching when the iteration of for each loop is going on. So the first, the zero index value, that is the Alex, is to be the value of e will be stored as Alex. So here this is the Alex, but here we are having the small, so we are using the str to lower. This is the inbuilt function of the PHP, so that it lowers all the character or all the letters of this value of dollar e. The first is the Alex, that is capital A and Lex. So due to this function, it becomes, or it returns this all the small, so that is equal to this Alex. Okay, and similarly, So and it gives the output of these values. Okay, thank you to all of you. Thank you.